Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel all about Wix. Today we are going to learn how to view your automation statistics on the Wix workspace. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Client Experience on the left. Here select CRM and Client Billing, and then go to Automations. Go to your automations list and look for the automation you want to check out. Click the three-dot button next to that automation and select View Email Stats. By the way, the data on your automation will refresh every 2 to 4 hours. So here you should see a detailed statistic and the top links clicked. In my case, it's empty since this is for just demonstration on how to get here. But yeah, you should successfully see your statistics on this window. And that's it for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful somehow. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.